May I speak to you? May I speak to you? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. May I speak to her? May I speak to her? No, she is busy. No, she is busy. Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? Yes, I am ready. Yes, I am ready. Are you able to swim? Are you able to swim? No, I can't. No, I can't. Yes, I can swim. Yes, I can swim. Did he propose to you? Did he propose to you? No, he didn't propose to me. No, he didn't propose to me. Do you like to travel? Do you like to travel? Yes, I like to travel. Yes, I like to travel. May I sit next to you? May I sit next to you? Yes, of course, you can sit next to me. Yes, of course, you can sit next to me. Do you want to be rich? Do you want to be rich? Yes, I want to be rich. Yes, I want to be rich. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? I want to be a doctor. I want to be a doctor. Would you like to wait? Would you like to wait? No, I don't want to wait any longer. No, I don't want to wait any longer. Are you ready to go out? Are you ready to go out? Yes, I am ready. Yes, I am ready. Why don't you come in? Why don't you come in? No, I am right here. No, I am right here. Can we talk in private? Can we talk in private? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Can I see that one? Can I see that one? Yes, you can see. Yes, you can see. Why did she do that? Why did she do that? I don't know. I don't know. Is that answer right? Is that answer right? No, the answer is wrong. No, the answer is wrong. Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? No, I will not say. No, I will not say. Do you know that hotel? Do you know that hotel? No, I don't know. No, I don't know. Is that a picture of me? Is that a picture of me? Yes, this is your picture. Yes, this is your picture. How high is that mountain? How high is that mountain? I don't know exactly. I don't know exactly. Is he at home? Is he at home? Yes, he is at home. Yes, he is at home. Is she married? Is she married? Yes, she is married. Yes, she is married. Where is Paris? Where is Paris? Paris is in France. Paris is in France. Is anybody home? Is anybody home? Yes, tell me what to say. Yes, tell me what to say. How is your dad? How is your dad? He is fine. He is fine. What time is it? What time is it? It is 7 o'clock. It is 7 o'clock. Who is that man? Who is that man? He is my friend. He is my friend. Is he still here? Is he still here? No, he left yesterday. No, he left yesterday. Who built it? Who built it? My mother made it. My mother made it. Can you find it? Can you find it? No, I am busy now. No, I am busy now. I will find that later. I will find that later. Can you handle it? Can you handle it? I will try to handle it. I will try to handle it. May I put it here? May I put it here? No, you put it there. No, you put it there. What does it mean? What does it mean? I don't know. I don't know. When does it begin? When does it begin? It starts in the evening. It starts in the evening. Will it rain today? Will it rain today? Yes, it may rain today. Yes, it may rain today. How did you make it? How did you make it? I know how to do it. I know how to do it. Is it far from here? Is it far from here? No, it is very near from here. No, it is very near from here. When did you buy it? When did you buy it? I bought it yesterday. I bought it yesterday. Was I wrong? Was I wrong? No, you were right. No, you were right. How was your day? How was your day? I had a great day. I had a great day. When was she born? When was she born? She was born in 2001. She was born in 2001. Was the movie good? Was the movie good? No, I didn't like it. No, I didn't like it. How was the math test? How was the math test? The math test was very good. The math test was very good. What will you use it for? What will you use it for? I will use it for my mobile. I will use it for my mobile. Can you mail these for me? Can you mail these for me? Yes, of course I can. Yes, of course I can. Are you ready for the trip? Are you ready for the trip? No, I need a little more time. No, I need a little more time. Should I wait for you here? Should I wait for you here? Whatever you want. Whatever you want. What is on the desk? What is on the desk? There's a pen on the desk. There's a pen on the desk. Can I turn on the TV? Can I turn on the TV? No, it's time to read. No, it's time to read. What's going on here? What's going on here? Cricket is being played here. Cricket is being played here. Will the train leave on time? Will the train leave on time? I think it will live on time. I think it will live on time. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.